Hey, and welcome to Cryptology for You, the channel that's not even about cryptology, but it's all about cryptocurrencies. And in this particular series, we're just finishing now our Excel sheet to keep all of the data for our coins that we're investigating and following, just keeping that all offline. I'm your host, Paulie D, and let's get straight into that Excel sheet right now. If you've been following along right now, you would be at the same point we have here, where we have got the best coin being displayed, we have the worst coin, we have our second, third, fourth, and fifth, and sixth coins as well, and we have all the pricing data that we got directly from Coinmarket Cap using the API. Now, if you haven't already done that, you need to go back to part 5 of the series in order to get this part ready to go. Otherwise, you can download the blank sheet, but the blank sheet won't allow you to do this part where we are getting the quotes of each of the coins straight from Coinmarket Cap. This video, we're going to be putting in our average profit and loss below our worst coin. And we're also going to put our best profits that we've made from selling a coin directly below that. Let's start by doing our average profit and loss. We want a 3x3, columns F through to H, rows 9 through to 11, and we're just going to merge and center. And then in the next 3x3 next to it, we want to merge and center, and then one more as well. This is for our ribbon. With that done, let's pop in average profit and loss here. We'll just abbreviate average profit / loss. And we want that centered. We want it 20 and done. To save going through all the sheets for the profit and loss, we may as well just get it straight from the table in the pricing sheet. And here they are, all are here. So we just want an average of the profit loss, which is column D. Let's just pop that into here. Average profit loss from the pricing table. Now, again, it is a percentage, so let's make it a percentage and let's up it to 2 decimal places. And let's increase its size, center it, and up to size 20. Done. So our average profit and loss over all of our coins that are currently in our possession is an average profit and loss of 2.9%. Now, directly below this, we are going to look at our profits from certain sales that we've had. So let's do another 3x3. And we'll make this 3x3, another 3x3, and another 3x3 for a ribbon. And we'll repeat this now. Let's just copy and paste that below. Let's do 3 lots so that we have our highest profits from a sale, our second highest profits from a sale, and our third highest profits from a sale. Let's be a bit corny and write in most profit. Yes, we'll use the $sign. Don't forget you have to center these and up it to size 20. And then we'll have second highest profit, so we'll just put second profit. And we'll have third profit. Center those up to size 20. Center size 20. Done. Okay, so we're going to look for the maximum profit first. So we want the maximum from ADA to XRP. Now, this is important. This is why I've done this alphabetically. Now, it's kind of obvious that I might have ZEC coming into this, but that's okay. I can have 1 or 2 things out of alphabetical order in the sheets below. But you need to have this common so that you are always looking between these sheets. You don't want to be adjusting this all the time. We're looking for the maximum profit in F1. So we're going to take that, and at the moment our maximum profit is 110 below, so we actually haven't sold that much at all, have we? Let's take a look and see where that one is from. To see where this one is from, I am just going to pop in another index. Now, you're going to have to trust me on this one. We're looking for the index that matches this minus 110, and we see that it is Atom. And we're going to center those and put them up to size 20. Done. I'm just going to take a look at the Atom page now and to see why we have a negative 110. Well, that's also probably because we haven't sold anything, which is true because we haven't sold anything in any of our coins except for perhaps here in ADA, but we still have a small amount to cover in order to get a positive number. So actually Atom just happens to be the lowest that we've spent so far. So we're going to put some sales in soon to see how this looks and works. Going back now, let's take a look at our second profit so we can copy in this formula. We're going to try to find the second largest between ADA and XRP in F1. And that's going to be 350, and all we need to do now is get which coin that is. It's a pretty similar formula than we have for the first or the most profit. The only difference now is that we need to match the second largest number, but not the max anymore. If I enter that, that's our BNB. Let's make this size 20 and center it. And then the same thing now we just want for the third. So we can copy from our cells above and pop that in. Oops, pop that. Oh, I got you. Pop that in here. And instead now we want to make it the third largest. And this time 652 down. And we can just copy again from above. We're indexing for this particular number. And now we want large 3, and this is Luna. And let's center and make that 20. And that's it. So let's put this to a bit of a test and make a couple of sales. What better way to test it than to actually see the prices that are currently up there to see what we're going to sell. I haven't updated this for a little while since the last couple of videos anyway, and that's been a couple of days, so here we go. Let's take a look. Hit the query button, remember. You've got to click into the table, hit the query button, and then refresh. Hey, wow, there has been some movement there. Whew, we've had some movement up here as well. So Luna is now our worst coin. So we're not going to be selling Luna, but why shouldn't we? We should sell Atom. It's doing quite well here, apparently. 27% up, so let's sell some Atom right now. Clicking into the Atom page here, we had $110 worth. We have 5 coins purchased, and we're going to sell them all now. Look at that. We bought them for 22. We're going to sell them all. Let's just make up the date a day later because that would be amazing. 22. There we go. We're going to sell. Now, how much is the coin currently? The current price is 27.93. So I'm just going to work it out, just cheating. 5 times 27.93, 139.65 total. Oops, 65. Number sold, we're going to sell all 5 of them. There we go, we're sold for 27. And which exchange were they on? They're on Kraken. There we go. And now Kraken goes to 0 amount of coin, 0 value there. And we have a small profit. Oh, lovely. $29.65. That's beautiful. There's our profit loss up here, $29.65. And we now actually have no coins purchased anymore. They're all gone. This is the trick and one of the limitations of Excel in this particular instance. Sorry to mention it. But you need to get rid of the cost per coin here, otherwise your average is going to change if you choose to buy some more back. So what I do is I just make a new comment and I'm going to put the price that I had purchased the coin for. Done. And now I'm deleting it off of here. So I can still see what I've done. I've purchased $22 worth, but I don't want to upset my average price. Head back to the pricing sheet now and let's see what this looks like. Well, Atom has now become cleared in our average price and profit loss. It no longer takes part in that. BNB has taken the spot of Atom. But what we do have is the most profit, $29.65 for Atom. Well, looks like BNB is also doing okay, and well, we should probably sell some of that as well. So let's just do another trial, except this time we might leave some BNB behind. So let's head off to the BNB page. BNB, we have 350 worth. Well, this time let's sell just slightly. Let's leave a couple behind. So current price is 391 per coin, and we have 1.02 coins. So let's go 391 times, let's sell 0.9 of the coins. So it's 351.9. 351.9. We should put in a date. 04/04/22. Number of sold, 0.9 coins. And we sold for $391. Lovely. From the exchange, Binance. Done. Now we still have some coin left over, but we do have $1.90 profit already. Nice, isn't it? Let's take a look at that in the pricing sheet. There it is. BNB still holds here, and so it's still our best performing coin as far as the amount from the price we purchased. But also, you can see it's coming to our profit, second highest profit. Now I do notice that these probably need to be in currency, so let's change that now as well. Actually, let's do it via this way. I can pick the United States dollar, and just 2 decimal places is enough. Done. So in our third profit, we see that we've got Luna. Luna is actually in the negative numbers, but this is also because we haven't actually done that many sales yet, and this is just the closest to the next highest number. So once you've made some more sales, this will probably look a little bit better. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. Now that you've been able to put in your profit loss and some of the best profits that you've made so far on your coins onto your spreadsheet, well, you should probably like and subscribe to this video. Perhaps even send it to your friends because they want to see how they're doing with their profits and their losses and how much they've sold. It's much better for everyone if they keep it offline. Also, if you have thought this video was worth it, maybe you could just donate a little bit of coin to some of the addresses below, or try some of the links that are there already, such as Nexo and Midas, where you can deposit some cash and get some rewards. I'm your host, Paulie D, and I'll see you in the next video.